I am a former auditor with the Wisconsin Department of Revenue. So for years, I audited businesses to ensure they were in compliance with their taxes. The seminar will be at 6100 West Blue Mile Road. It's the Seneca Village is the name of the space. It's an awesome space that's there. It's December 20th. And it's from 5:30 to 8:30.
Welcome to All Our Production. This is Dwayne McKay, where we seek knowledge and share knowledge. Today, I am pleased to have with us Miss Veronica Powell, a very extraordinary accountant. She's my accountant, and she's our savior as far as me and my wife business is concerned. Veronica, how we gonna get started? I want you to tell me about yourself and your credentials.
Sure. Well, first of all, I am honored, Dwayne, that you have me here today. So thank you for that. But as Dwayne said, I am Veronica Powell. I am a professional educator, accountant, and founder of Empowering Wealth Financial Coaching, where we believe that no matter what your socioeconomic background is, we all deserve access to high quality services once it comes to accounting, taxes, and bookkeeping. So I have my own accounting firm, and I'm also a instructor. I teach business management and accounting at Waukesha County Technical College.
Now, Veronica, you have a seminar coming up, and briefly tell us about that seminar and what can people get out of that seminar?
Sure, thank you. So on Wednesday, December 20th, from 5:30 to 8:30, I have a workshop. It's for business owners. I've also partnered with Lana Jamerson of Jamerson and Associates. She's also a great accounting. Has our own accounting firm as well. So we have a year-end tax strategy workshop for business owners and entrepreneurs. This workshop will be really going over details on, as a business owner, how can I maximize my tax savings? So what decisions can I make now that it's the year end that will equip me to maximize my tax strategies? We have 4 different topics that we'll go over, and then we have a Q&A session at the end. So we're encouraging the business owners to bring their questions at the end, but I'll just give you just the 4 topics that we'll go over. Number 1, we'll be just discussing income and deductions. So as far as your income and deductions, are you taking the correct, deductions? Are you, when it comes to, your income, we have to make sure, are you overstating your income, and are you understating your income, and are you maximizing the deductions that you are supposed to have? Another topic and I'll backtrack and say, I am a former auditor with the Wisconsin Department of Revenue. So for years, I audited businesses to ensure they were in compliance with their taxes. So once it comes to income and deductions, like, I am your girl. So I understand that. I understand what an auditor would be looking for when it comes to, your income and when it comes to your deduction. We'll also go over retirement contributions. And as a business owner, are you taking advantage of, a retirement plan? You don't have to be at an employer to get a 401k. There are multiple different vehicles that you can use as an entrepreneur to make sure you're saving for your retirement plan. And that benefits you 2 ways. Number 1, when you retire, you will have income that's coming in. And number 2, as a business owner, you can deduct your contributions that you're making to your retirement plan. So those are the first 2 topics that we'll go over. And then we'll touch on your business structure. Is your particular business structured property, which we're saying, are you an LLC? Are you an S corp? Are you a partnership? Are you a C corp? What is your business? How is your business entity classified? And is this the appropriate business structure for your business? So we'll get into you personally, because we are making sure that it's an intimate setting. So we'll be able to, Lana and I will be able to address each person in, individual, that's there. And then a topic we'll go over is assets. A lot of people, business owners, I should say, they think about, oh, it's the end of the year. Should I purchase a major asset? Shouldn't I purchase a major asset? And we'll go over that of maybe, should you consider purchasing a major asset or not so that you can have a deduction, or maybe should you wait until the beginning of the year to purchase this major asset, or should you purchase at the end of the year? And the last piece, as I stated, is our question and answer session. We're allowing business owners to come, prepared with their personal questions related to their business, and Lana and I will discuss and go over the answer for those particular questions.
Okay, thank you. I'm starting a business. Say I'm starting a business out, and this person starting a business out. They say they want to go. They want a good accountant, a good coach. What would you recommend for an individual who's just starting off with a business?
And when you're saying starting out, are you saying starting out if they're looking for an accountant, or just starting out, the foundation of what a business owner should do when they're starting a business related to their finances, or what should they do when they want an accountant?
Let's say if they structure their business first. Let's go by structure.
So the first thing, a lot of when you come to, the structuring of your business, a lot of people, accountants is someone that you can talk to, but structuring your business is actually legally based. So a lot of, business owners should be talking to an attorney. Like, when it comes to taxes, an accountant can go over that with you, but it's best to think about, if you're deciding, if I want to be a corp, if I want to be an LLC, a partnership, those, of course, is how your business is taxed. So an S corp is how your business is taxed. A C corp is how your business is taxed. A partnership is how your business is taxed. But when you're talking about entity formation, which means how your business is legally structured, that is based off of you speaking to an attorney. So you can go to the Wisconsin Department of Financial Institution, right? And that's where we register our business entity. So once we go there, we can register the entity as an LLC. We can register the business as a nonprofit. We can register the business as a corporation. Like, you can't go to the Department of Financial Institution and register your business as a partnership. That's there, because the partnership piece, when you're filling out the form 1065, that's the tax purposes. When you're forming your entity with the Wisconsin Department of Financial Institution, that all is based on your legal structure, and if what's the legal protection that your business has if someone comes in, a client or a customer attempts to sue your business, then how your entity is formed legally will, determine that basis. But that is separate from how your business is being taxed. And that's what a lot of businesses owners don't know, that it is a difference between how your business is legally formed versus how your business is being taxed for income purposes.
Next question is, a business report profit loss every year, does that hurt or help?
Well, of course, we all want to be making a profit now. Come on. We all want a profit. But I'll say this, coming from the standpoint of we're in business to make a profit. But I know sometimes business owners, they want to avoid paying taxes. So now they take deductions. They maximize all these deductions, so now that their profit is low, or they don't have a profit, they have a loss. So now I don't have to pay taxes because I have a loss. One item is that's important to remember. After a few years, if the IRS sees that your business is not making a profit, they will start looking at your business and say, okay, is this truly a business or is this a hobby? And if you are continually year after year after year after year not making a profit, the IRS will want to start looking into your business and seeing, are you truly, a business, and should we classify you as a hobby? Now we're classifying you as a hobby. You're not taking all these deductions. That's firsthand. But then the other reason why continually taking a deduction or having a net loss isn't good is because if you're an entrepreneur and now you want to go out and you want to get a loan, maybe a home loan, maybe a car loan. One of the first things they're going to ask for some bank statements, but then they're also going to ask for your tax return. You show them your tax return and your business has a loss. That right there is why it's not always a good idea to continue to take a loss on your business, because how can you go and get funding if your business is not showing a profit? So we want to make sure that our business, that we're accurate, whether it's a loss or it's a profit, we want to make sure that our businesses, our accounting records are actually reflecting what we're making. Because how do you scale your business if you don't understand what your true profit is? And then also if your business after so many years is not making a profit, then you probably need to make a decision. Do I continue on with this business?
Okay. Why should one set a budget and a goal for their business?
Yes. I like to say that a budget tells your money where to go at the end of the month, so you're not wondering where it went at the end of the month. That's there. But a budget is just having a strategic plan. And each dollar you need to have it. Each dollar needs to be assigned to a category there. But government entities, millionaires, they are our budgeting. You have to understand where your money is going. And once you understand where your money is going, now you have a better idea of how to scale your business. Because now I know if I budgeted and I'm saying I'm going to spend $100 a month on marketing, and then I looked at my numbers, okay, I have $500 left a month. Where does this $500, where can I allocate this $500? What expenses, maybe my business might need to take care of during this month? But it's imperative that you have your budget, for your business. This is a roadmap, for your business. And I guarantee you, if as a business owner, if you are not budgeting, it's going to make it very difficult in the future when you're building the foundation of being able to grow and scale your business.
Veronica, I heard Friday you were in a contest and you won the grand prize of $10,000. Can you tell us what that contest was about?
Yes. Oh, I'm so excited. It was so great. So I participated on Friday in the Wisconsin Black Chamber of Commerce Black and Diverse Showcase Pitch Competition with 10 other business owners. So we had 2 minutes to pitch our business, and then the judges, the judges then decided who the winner would be, and the prize was $10,000. And I was just fortunate and blessed enough to win the $10,000 I won first prize there. And the first prize was $10,000, and it was me pitching my business to the judges.
Okay. You have the seminar that you have coming up. Can you tell us when, where, and what time
Sure. So the seminar will be at 6100 West Blue Mile Road. It's the Seneca Village is the name of the space. It's an awesome space that's there. It's December 20th. And it's from 5:30 to 8:30. We will be providing, appetizers, light refreshments. That is there. You can the cost. Let me give you two. The investment of the workshop is $249. You can find the information on Eventbrite. So if you go to, Eventbrite and you put in Empowering Wealth Financial Coaching, if you need to contact, me, you can reach me at 414-248-4427. And my email address is veronica@empoweringwealthcoaching.com.
Thank you, Veronica. And $249 for a seminar is very cheap for two well-deserved
3 hours.
3 hours.
Yeah, it's from 5:30 to 8:30 with two awesome tax experts.
That's what I'm saying. When I look at some of the seminars and I see some of the successful people, they always encourage people to go to seminars and places where they can be taught to better their skills.
Yes.
And with these two people putting their minds together, excellent tax accountants, I know she helped. Veronica, myself, I personally can say, really helped us out. Lisa K. Catering, with her tax strategy. And thank you, Veronica, for that. Thank you.
You are so welcome.
And we're going to leave a link on this interview. Thank you, Veronica. And thank you for giving us your invaluable information. This is Dwayne McKay with All Our Production, where we seek knowledge and share knowledge. Thanks, Veronica.